Patrick from Q Doctor here with a Q tip. Most people are struggling with how to make sure they can get their patient volume up without having a crowded waiting room. So we're going to talk about front office check-in. First, if you have digital check-in, you want your patients using that. When a patient arrives, they should be instructed to check in from their phone while still in the car. Then, they should be texted and told to come in to the waiting room when the doctor is ready to see them. These instructions should be sent via appointment reminder or other blast messaging. Q Doctor has a product called Bit Behind to do most parts of this. On top of that, if the text is too long, you can't put all these instructions in a reminder or whatever it might be, create a web page with instructions for patients, including wear a mask, for example. If you don't have patient check-in, the system is a bit different. We recommend having a member of your team outside the waiting room with a list of patients to check in or an iPad or whatever you might have. Then, when a patient comes in, they're stopped at the door, they check in, they pay their copay, and are told, hey, when we're ready to see you, we will text you. Then the patient waits in their car until they're coming in. By doing this, whether you have digital check-in or not, you're able to keep your volume of patients up safely.